This is Paul with VQ Ventures, and we get asked quite a bit how we pack for the distance that we do and the days that we go in a backpack. I'm going to show you how we pack, but we've stepped it up from our JanSport backpacks to these American Tourists under the seat luggage, which will give us a little bit more space and it's easier to carry than a JanSport backpack. The first thing you need to do when you're packing for a compact case is folding your clothes. You don't fold your clothes, you roll your clothes to maximize the amount of space that you have. When I typically travel, my wife and I will take 2 or 3 outfits because we can always do laundry in the sink or in the shower and then hang them up to dry. But when we go, we typically stay in Airbnbs that have a washer machine. So what's the point of taking 4 or 5 outfits when 2 or 3 will do for a month or so? So this is what I typically take when we go to Iceland. In the summertime, wintertime is going to be completely different as you are in the Arctic Circle. But in the summertime, you're still going to want to take long sleeve shirts. So here is a running shirt that I have that keeps me warm, and it is a nylon type material. I'm going to roll it. I'm going to stick it in the bag. Next, I'm going to take 2 pairs of jeans. When you're traveling, it's nice to wear dark clothes. That way the dirt doesn't show very much. And jeans you can wear more than one time and not have to wash them. So I typically don't roll my jeans, I fold them because rolling takes up more space. So there's 2. Another long sleeve Under Armour nylon type material. A light cotton t-shirt. A pair of swimming trunks. It is important that you bring swimming trunks to Iceland as there are thermal pools everywhere and they're cheap and they're really fun to go into. Since we're going during the World Cup, I have my Iceland soccer jersey. Three pairs of nylon underwear. A moisture wicking towel, because they charge you for a towel there. A sweatshirt, which I will probably be wearing on the plane. Another sweatshirt. I'm going to keep that one out. A pair of flip-flops for going to the pool. A pair of tennis shoes that I will wear on the plane. My toboggan that my wife got on Amazon. Looks like Viking ears. I will probably wear that on the plane. My belt I will not wear on the plane because it's one more thing to take off in security. Important, a SIM card for your telephone. I'll put that in the protective pouch. Another crucial thing that you need to bring is passport and a little bit of money to get you going. You don't have to break the bank with the money, just a little bit to get you going. Also, headphones, a phone charger. You do not want to have to pay the prices in Iceland for any of the following things I'm putting in this bag. They are crazy expensive. Voltage adapters for the Euro. Plugs. Sunscreen. People do not think of sunscreen when you're going to Iceland because you think it's cold. There is sun still in Iceland, so sunscreen. Hand warmers. They can fit easily in your pockets if you do not want to fiddle with gloves because you're taking tons of pictures all the time. Hand warmers. Toiletries. You notice this is all the toiletries that I will take. We are going to a first world country, ladies and gentlemen. There are grocery stores there. So if you run out of toothpaste, deodorant, anything else, which deodorant I don't have in my bag, but you can assume I'm taking it, they have it there. And snacks for the plane. And of course, cell phone. And the agenda that my wife makes for every trip. It tells us where we're going, what we're doing, on what days. Zip that up. And I still have some room to spare. That will be everything that we will need for our 6-day trip to Iceland. Thank you very much. Have a great day.